Welcome! Today, I am at the supermarket. Welcome! Today, I am at the supermarket. I push the shopping cart. I push the shopping cart. I pick up the box. I pick up the box. I read the label. I read the label. I check the date. I check the date. I put it in the cart. I put it in the cart. I drop the packet. I drop the packet. I bend down. I bend down. I hold my phone. I hold my phone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I count my items. I count my items. I choose the best one. I choose the best one. I am ready to pay. I am ready to pay.
I am ready to pay. I am ready to pay.
Hey everyone! Happy shopping! Thank you for watching. See you next time. Thank you for watching. See you next time.